Maitt has finally responded pa video ra Fifi rai circulator muma streets umo. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Varatidza maturity, and she has supported the daughter all the way through. Vataura ivo vakate, I know you are waiting for answers which you already concluded, but it is well. The way you are shocked is the same way I'm shocked, because my daughter is the most quiet, intelligent individual. When I count my blessing, I count her as well. Never have I ever held a stick to flog her, because there was nothing to flog her for. She was the best God gave me, because everything about her is just perfect. There is no website that people are claiming. There are no videos which people are exaggerating. There is just a young lady who was in a relationship and trusted her boyfriend, and after breaking up, the guy leaked the pictures. I got to find out that she was under threats the whole of last year, but never told me about it. She would pay this guy not to release until she couldn't afford anymore. The matter is in the hands of the police, and I'm sure the law will take its course. My daughter was wrong in trusting a boy, and I don't support such. No matter I have failed relationships, I didn't train my kids in that manner. This is a very difficult moment for me as a mother, but what I promise you is you can mess all you want with me, but with my kids, it won't end well. The press and individuals who circulated this, I'm aware. Being a single mom and failed in relationships doesn't mean you are a prostitute. There is nothing I didn't do for these kids. I gave them everything and also taught them about life. I used my mistakes as examples, but they, hey, mwana, you don't know what they do behind the scenes. Thank you all for your messages. God's got us in the midst of it all. So, do mashoko amura aya akati mwana anga achithreatenwa since last year. Mukomana achithreatena kuti achaburitsa ma pictures, and Fifi was trying also to protect herself as well as her family and her mother, since vari socialite. Achibhadhara mukomana kuti asaburitse, azosvika pakupererwa nemari mwana achibva azongosiya zvakadaro. Mapicture ndokuzara internet. Saka website iri kutaurwa iyo Lakeside Hotpot it does not exist. Ndo matauro ari kuita Maitt vari kuti nemama videos ari kunzi akawanda aripo, it is not true. Ingori video idzodzo dzakatoburitswa ndidzo dzese dzakangoitikawo nemistake yekudanana. Ko vanhu dai vadzidza ka kuti kana muchidanana zviri nani muonane face to face, ko mune moda kuzotumirana zvinhu pafoni kuti zviite sei. Dai vana vadzidzawo kuti izvi hazvina kunaka, nekuti munhu akazokuthreatena acharamba achidya mari yako, or it will leak to your parents. Your life will never be the same because internet haikangamo. Chatafarira zvikuru panyaya yaMaitt apa vataura kuti ivo vanomuona as a blessing. She's intelligent, she's quiet, she's beautiful. So at least there's that reassurance kuti kumba uko hakusi kuputika zvimbambaira, mwana ari safe. Tati chifunga kuti maybe acharohwa kana kuti achadinamura, but aiwa mai varatidza kuti chero ivo vane ma-failed relationships, mwana wavo vakamudzidzisa zvakanaka. Please do leave your comments on what you think about response ya Maitt. Ndiyo here yamama kamirira kana kuti mama kamirira kuti gomura achituka one by one mabloga ese pamwe chete nema socialite imikane zvinhu zvacho.